Good afternoon, everyone. David Paul speaking. It's 16th of June, Saturday afternoon at about 3:30. I'm looking at VectorVest UK, and the short-term trend of the London market is up. The longer-term trend is up, but the short-term trend up with a little conviction, and we advise being very careful about buying shares at this time. I want to have another look at our most conservative trading system, which is called worry-free investing, because it's really worked exceptionally well. The last long-term buy signal on VectorVest was on the 17th of April. That's when our most conservative measure of the trend turned up. And I've defaulted the data back to the 17th of April, and that's exactly what we would have seen on our stock spreadsheet on that particular day. The stocks are sorted by our proprietary master indicator VST, which combines value, safety of earnings, and the trend into the one single number. Now, our most conservative trading system, in fact, doesn't sort shares by VST, but it in fact just sorts shares by relative safety. And this brings those shares that have the best track record of making money safely to the top of the pile. And if I click on RS, that simply resorts the pack by safety of earnings. Games Workshop at the top, Berkeley second, Computer Center third. Now, if I simply do a quick test, which is just a simple test between the price on the 17th of April and the price at the close yesterday afternoon, I can see on the top 10 shares that those top 10 shares are up 16.21%, which is 100% annualized, and the general market is up 5.6% in that time. So our worry-free methodology has in fact outperformed the general market by 3x, and it's robustly been making money for a very long time. I've tested it in the US market for the last 22 years now, and it robustly makes profits in that period, and I've tested it in the London market over the last 10 years, and it similarly robustly makes money within that period. If you'd like to test it for yourself, then you can have a 30-day trial of VectorVest US and VectorVest UK. That's £5.95, and make sure that it suits your style of trading. We've got one small loss and 9 winners along the way, so emotionally that's quite satisfying. Thanks very much. Bye bye.